Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. We have learned idafa, that is, there are if there's a two ism, if one is mudaf and other one is mudaf ilay, then there is a off in between both of them. Okay, now in this lesson, which is part B, we're gonna learn some mudafs, that is we call special mudaf. So normally mudaf has two rules, that is there is no al and it should be light, but this doesn't fall under that category. These are special set of words considered as special mudaf. So the simple rule is, if you see any of these mudaf, the next word, next ism will be jar. That's it, simple as that. So there is nothing to study here. What you have to understand is, if you see any of these words, next word will be jar. So that's why these are called special mudaf. It doesn't have that the same ruling as what we learn in normal mudaf, which is light and no. It doesn't follow that rule. So what are these words? So simply this just a vocabulary. You just have to remember this vocabulary. No need to memorize. Just remember vocabulary. Like just know these are a special mudaf. That's it. So even you have these set of words, if you see anywhere in the Quran, remember this is a special mudaf. But it's not necessary to memorize. When we doing the Quran practice, whenever this word comes, we will discuss like, okay, this is special mudaf. That's why the next word is jar. That's the requirement. Okay, I'll quickly go through this list. First one is fauka, mean above. Tahta, below. Ba'da, after. Qabla, before. Amama, in front of. Khalfa, behind. Baina, mean in between. So example, fawqal masjidi, fawqal masjidi. Because why it is masjidi? Because it is fawqa is a special mudaf. So masjid become masjidi. You cannot say fawqal masjidu. You cannot say that because it has to be jar. Because this is special mudaf, the next isim has to be jar. So that means above the masjid. So like that you can put tawt al masjidi, ba'd al masjidi, after the masjid, wara al masjidi, behind the masjid, Kuddama, right in front of, Hawla, around, Duna, besides, Ladun, especially, from, Ma'a, with, in the, also we can take with, besides, those words. Another simple things to remember, the list I show you, I told you the list, the above list, those all are considered as nasib. Okay, the next word after the special mudaf are considered as a jar, that's for sure, but this word itself, it's considered as a nasib. When you see the ending, mostly the ending is it's in fatah form mostly, so that has to consider as a nasib form, but the next word is has to be jar. And there are some special mudaf that can have rafa, nasib and jar, all this status. So those are the ghair, other than, ayu, which, any, and bagul means some. So then kullu, all, every, that meaning. Okay. So if you take a example from Quran, I think you can see the in ghair in the Surah Fatiha. Ghair, Surah Fatiha. So Surah Fatiha, you see ghairil maghdubi alayhim. So maghdubi is, see, maghdubu is rafa, maghduba is nasab, maghdubi is jar. Okay. So the ghalaba mean normally the angry, the root letter word. Maghdubi mean those who earn the anger, like anger upon them, that kind of meaning. So anyhow, the point is, other than those who anger directed upon them, kind of a meaning. It's like it's a passive voice actually. You will learn later on how to make a word active and passive voice. in the grammar. So anyhow, it's part of sarf. So anyhow, the point is here, the word becomes jar, uh, just because ghair is special mudaf. So you will see lots of words like this in Quran, a special mudaf. What you have to understand is whenever you see, you need to know that this is a special mudaf, and next word becomes jar because of this is a special mudaf. That's the only requirement here. So hope this lesson is clear. So we'll go move. There will be assignment. This is the end of idafa mudaf mudafle. So there will be assignment. Please do the assignment. Then you will get more better idea about how this idafa works in the Quran, inshallah.